Hi friends, this video shows how to delete a Google TV account or profile. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Here you can see two accounts. I am going to select this John Sam and I am going to delete this John Sam account. Select it. Go down, select remove. Select remove. Done. Then let me go to home. After deletion, we need to set new profile or account. So let me select Anna. Done. So this way we can delete an account or Google TV profile. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.